What's good, everybody? How you all doing today? This one is about creators economy, how you earn from YouTube. If you're new here, hello, good to have you here. I'm building a community of multiple income earners. Hit the subscribe button to join the family and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Do not forget to hit the like button. The potential earning of a content creator has increased dramatically over the last 5 years, and this is like by influencers and hello content creators. I'm talking about the phenomenon where content creators are now entrepreneurs, and this is with content creation being the hub of everything. So in this video, we're going to be looking at the different aspects that we can earn as YouTubers, as content creators. Without further ado, let's go to the first one, which is the one I call YouTube monetization avenue. As a content creator, you not only earn from AdSense, that is the amount advertisers are willing to pay per 1,000 views on your content. Now, there are a number of other YouTube monetization avenues, one of which is the membership. A lot of people don't actually know that this feature exists. Those that are aware of it already have their membership group set in place. I actually have not set up the membership of my YouTube channel, and I have my reason for that. Another one of YouTube monetization avenue is having a merch. It could be a product you have always had. It could be as simple as printing your channel name on a good fabric, maybe a dress like this. You can print Faith on Demand or whatever your channel name is, and then your subscribers that want to support you, that love what you're doing, or that find that very clothes cool will buy from you, and that's another avenue to monetize under YouTube. There's another one we call supers. Your channel has to reach a threshold before you can activate these supers, and I've not yet reached that threshold as well. I've actually been waiting to reach that threshold. This one is not membership, it's like gifting. Maybe I watched a particular video on your channel and I found it very helpful, informative or entertaining, and I decided to gift you some amount. I can just, through that super avenue, gives you a particular amount. So that's another way YouTubers can earn money. And like I said, your channel has to reach a particular threshold to access that feature. That's about it for the YouTube monetization avenue. I've mentioned supers, I've mentioned having a merch, I've mentioned AdSense. You can earn as content creator through sponsorship. There's this community of content creators that I belong, and the other time we're talking about how different people have actually earned money off of YouTube without being monetized. Top on that list is creating YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts money is completely different from the normal YouTube monetization money, and YouTube Shorts team actually launched 100 million Shorts fund just to take care of that. So you don't have to get monetized before you can earn off of YouTube Shorts. You can either create a new channel to make your YouTube Shorts or do it in your existing channel. Still under sponsorship, there's what we call brand positioning. This is a situation where you use a particular product often, you love the product, and whenever you're making video, you try to talk about the product or in a natural way. Take for instance, there's this YouTuber I know that likes the Chanel. So whenever she's making herself up in her vlog, she shows her Chanel, the logo of the Chanel makeup on the screen and all of it, even her pulse and all of it. So that's like brand positioning. So when this brand want to reach out to you, or you want to reach out to these brands for sponsorship, they actually know that your followers have seen you use these products different times, and so they can easily trust you to sell their products. And then there is also affiliate marketing. This one is about promoting affiliate products. Let's say you got yourself some studio gears like camera, selfie stick, or even a phone, and maybe you got it from Amazon, or the e-commerce platform you got it from has affiliate program. You can actually copy your affiliate link, and while you do your unboxing, include the affiliate link in the description box, and people that might be interested in that very product would find the link and go buy one for themselves, and you get a commission. Taking it further is actually starting drop shipping. Let's say you have the time, you can go get your affiliate links for different products on Amazon, make a review of those products, maybe in another channel, or if there's anyone you actually bought and you want to make a review of it in your main channel that is not even a review channel, you can make a review of that product and include your affiliate link, and that's another way to earn. You'll be surprised at how these different means I've mentioned all pull together to become substantial money. Maybe you can look at your earning at these different avenues. They might not be as much if you're just starting out, but when they pull together, it all adds up. My personal favorite is blogging. You see this very thing you're doing in video form, you can also do it in written form. Plus, blogging these days might not necessarily be all about typing and just written form. There are a lot of other sites for blogging that is video based, just a little bit of explanation. I can actually vouch for 2 different places you can make money off of blogging. First is the Hive blockchain, and I've made a video about it before. You can, maybe I'll have a link of it up here. And the other one is through Google AdSense. You can actually make use of the Google site to, you know, build your website. It's like a free website builder, and if you want a custom domain name, you can buy it from any of these website hosting platforms. But if you don't care about the way the name looks, you can just have it all free on Google sites. I know there are a lot of videos out there talking about how you can make millions from the different online avenues, and personally I've tried a number of them that seem not to work for me, and these ones I've mentioned in this video are actually practical ones. And I just want to say that most of it, you need to give it time. Take for instance, this YouTube channel took me almost a year to get monetized, and if you have a blogging site, it will take you about 6 to 12 months to reach that threshold. Well, the sponsorship can be spontaneous sometimes. You can be very hot in the market and brands will be reaching out to you from left, right and center. For the affiliate marketing, well, that one, people need to watch your video and actually have a need for the product you talk about before they purchase it. So some of these things actually take time. Other ones come in bits, like maybe little money, and then when they add up from different sources, it makes sense all together. So that's it for this video, guys. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which one is your cup of tea in all of these that I've mentioned? And don't forget to hit the like button. Till you see my face again, I'm going to say